How to add memories to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your Snapchat memories to My Eyes Only. So if you open Snapchat, and now if you swipe up, you'll be able to view all of your Snapchat memories. So now, if you want to add any of the memories to your My Eyes Only, which can only be opened after entering a password, all you have to do is simply select the snap or multiple snaps which you want to add to My Eyes Only. And now if you see the bottom side, you can see various options and you won't find the option where you can move it to My Eyes Only. So in order to do that, all you have to do is tap on the option hide, and then it will ask you whether you want to move to My Eyes Only. So simply confirm by tapping move, and now your snaps will be deleted from your memories. But if you go to your My Eyes Only and then enter the password, you'll be able to view those snaps or memories. So that is basically how you add your memories to your My Eyes Only. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.